If you have a rescue horse who's shut down, just quiet and closed in, how long do you wait before they start showing signs of life? Hi, I'm Dr. Renee Tucker, holistic equine veterinarian for over 30 years and the creator of the Tucker BioKinetic University. Now, one of our students had a 15-year-old rescue horse named Roberto. He was like a quarter horse mix. We weren't really sure, but he looked quarter horsey. And she had rescued him about 8 months ago, and he's still completely shut down. Now, if you don't know what I mean by shut down, it's where the horse is just, they don't pay any attention to their environment. Yeah, they'll eat. They don't seem unhealthy, but they just eat, and they don't really have any horse friends, and they don't care if you pet them. They don't care about anything. They're just, sometimes people say they've just gone internal. There's no brightness to their eye, no life in it. It's very sad. But rescue horses generally perk up after a little while, knowing they're going to get enough food and well cared for. But this one had been going on for 8 months. So how long do you wait? And is there something else you can do? Well, let me share this story. So this student was in our second module, Module 2 of Tucker BioKinetic University. It's about skeletal alignment. It's Module 2 out of 7. So she used this horse as her test case. And I got to see this happen. So it was really cool. She was aligning some bones. We just do a little at a time. And this horse, who was just non-responsive to the environment usually, was she worked on him with this is an energy technique, right? He was so responsive, and he showed her. So he's relaxing and licking and chewing and sighing, and his eyes are doing the slow blink and total relaxation, just absolutely loving it. Now, with TBT, normally we love those signs, but we don't go by them. In Module 1, we learn the physical checkups. So you do the physical, say, check for the shoulder, so you know how much the shoulder's moving, what's its range of motion, etc. Then we do the energy technique, and then we do the physical checkup again. That way we really know what's going on. Because it's lovely when horses show you these relaxation signs and tension release signs, but you can go by that if you want to, but that doesn't necessarily tell you that you have a lasting effect unless you have the physical change as well. Anyways, Roberto was having plenty of physical changes as well with the checkups and showing these relaxation signs. But that isn't even the best part. So when she got to the atlas is the first bone in the neck, and the brainstem runs through it. Okay, so she's aligning the atlas. First time aligning anything in any atlas anywhere, and she's doing it on this totally shut down horse, and he does this thing. He does all of a sudden like 100 really rapid blinks. Just blink, 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 super fast. And he just kept doing it, and we're like, huh. And then his third eyelid kind of rolled up over his eye, which was weird. But then it came right back down, and he's still blinking. And then all of a sudden he takes this deep breath, and he shakes his whole body like crazy, and takes a deep breath, and then he sighs it all out. It was such a dramatic event. And then it was like he woke up. Seriously. He was like, oh, hey, huh, like, what's over here? Where even am I? Who are you? It was incredible. His ears started moving around, listening to sounds like he was hearing. Not that he was deaf. I'm just saying he paid no attention. And he was just alive. The brightness came back to his eye. He was all perky and spunky and not just standing there dead still anymore. He was like, hey, let's go someplace. It was totally incredible. Now, why would this happen? Okay, so you may not know that when the atlas, the spinal cord runs through it, as I mentioned, But studies have shown in people that some headaches, bad headaches, and some migraines are because that brainstem is being squished or impinged upon. So I don't know if you've had any bad headaches. I have. And you know what I mean when I say it's like your whole world shrinks. Like there's only your head and the pain in your head. And you'll eat and you'll do the bare minimum. But your world literally shrinks. You can't pay attention to anything at all because of these dang headaches. So I think poor Roberto had a terrible headache for a minimum of 8 months, probably longer. But then our student fixed it. It was fantastic. Super exciting. So, what's my point? If you have not only a shutdown horse, but a horse who's getting a little dull, a little quiet, quieter than they used to. You know, sometimes we think that's just, oh, they're getting old. But is it? Maybe. But they really shouldn't. They may get older and not quite able to do their physical stuff, but they still should be bright and alert and interested in life. So whatever age they are, if they're starting to shut down, that's a clue. That is a clue something is up. And you can certainly try anything you'd like. You can try blood work, you can try different feeds, vitamins, minerals, but I would definitely recommend also checking the alignment, particularly of their head. So I hope that's helpful for some of you, and I'll see you guys next time.